In the winter time, when the leaves start turning yellow, then you'll know it's time to harvest your sweet potatoes. If you live in a tropical climate like me, where it's warm all year round, the leaves don't typically turn yellow, so you'll just have to dig after about 4 to 5 months to see if your potatoes are ready to be harvested. One tip when harvesting is to avoid using a big gardening fork to harvest your potatoes, or else you will pierce the potatoes and damage them. The skin of the sweet potato bruises very easily. If any of your sweet potatoes are green, make sure to cut off the green part because this is not safe to eat. This happens when the potato has been exposed to sunlight. Okay, so that is the end of the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me hear about your experience growing potatoes. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.